back to the coalface. Now we're looking for some angles. So most of the steps are exactly the same. I'm going to draw my right angle, put my numbers on. This time the letter is inside one of the angles. It asked me to measure an angle. So first of all, we need to label the sides. Across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. Across from the angle that we're looking for is the opposite. Next to my angle is the adjacent. I typically always go from H, O, and then A. So only H and A are operating in this question. Time to choose a ratio. I'm going to choose cosine. A over H. Okay, let's substitute. So I don't know what number to put here now. So this is the unknown. This is what we're looking for. Equals 4 for A over 5. Now the rearrange step, in this case, isn't like to get the X by itself, it's to get this letter by itself. And the way we do that is we are now going to do what's called shift cos or inverse cos or arc cos. Inverse cos. It's called this because this is what we type in our calculator. What angle has a cos of 44 on 5? Shift cos or arc cos. However, this now means that more than ever we relied upon our friend. So rather than just press cos or something, I'm going to go shift cos, and you'll see these show me this symbol. I'll zoom in. Shift cos. Let's try that again. Shift cos. Not quite. Shift cos. Okay. Now I'm very carefully going to write bracket 4 divided by 5. Enter. So it's all sitting there, and that looks precisely like what we had here. 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5. Shift cos. 4 divided by 5. If I get this wrong, if I put the 5 on top of the 4, it will give me an error. Can't cope if the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So back to the business. Shift cos of 4 divided by 5 is 36 degrees. Now 0.869. I've got the three significant figures happening again. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. So do we round up or down on the 6? We round up to 9. And here is the degree symbol. This tells me that that was an angle that I found. Okay, let's try the other one in this space down here. Hopefully we can still see it on the screen. Well, perhaps I'll rub it out. Shazam. So, looking at part B. Still looking for an angle. Here's my picture. 7, 5 centimeters, theta. This, of course, is a hypotenuse. This is the opposite side, and here is the adjacent. This rule is using O and H, which is, I believe, sin. Sin is O and H. Let's substitute the information from the picture. There's the angle, I don't know. O is going to be 5, H is going to be 7. The rearrange step for these is quite straightforward. For angles, it's actually easier. So 5 divided by 7. Time for our little friend. Okay, shift sign. Let's clear everything. Shift sign of bracket 5 divided by 7, close bracket, is 45 degrees. Okay, 45.58. So I'm looking at the 8, I'm going to round up. It's 45.6 degrees. Boom. Okay, continuing on with some angle questions. Tell what's an angle question? Because there is the pronumeral, or the letter that we're looking to find. We want to get a number and plonk it there. So every time I draw one of these triangles, it's important that we see where the right angle is. So once we know where the right angle is, very quickly we can do the hypotenuse. Now for this question, the adjacent is empty and the opposite is full. So O and H means it's a sin question. Sin of the angle equals O over H. Right, so we've got our mark now. We've done the first two steps, hopefully successfully. Sin theta equals 2.3 over 3.4. Now, for all angle questions, we're going to use shift sin, inverse sin, arc sin. Okay, this says cos because the last question was cos. 2.3 divided by 3.4. Ready to type into the calculator. Bracket 2.3 divided by 3.4. Enter. It's 42. 42 what? 42 centimeters? Meters? No, it's an angle. 42 degrees. Angle.